If you do not subscribe, your dog will dance for you. On today's video, I want to show you how to get free airtime, free data, or even better, free stores vouchers. All I have to do, just have to make sure you get points, right? As you can see here, 10 points is 1 rand. When you have 10 points, that means you have 1 rand. And as you can see here, this is how you can get more points. You refer a friend, speak to an advisor, complete money varsity courses, request a credit report, complete surveys, guys. This is how to get more points. And as you can see here, this is where you can redeem your points, right? Steers, KFC, Nando's, Bear, Wimpy, Hungry Lion, Uber Eats, Macro, ShopRite, Checkers, Game, Uber, guys, you know this, these brands. These are popular brands, so I believe most of you know these brands. And as I said, free airtime and free data. Telkom, MTN, Vodacom, and C. Yes, on my channel I post videos of how to get free airtime, free data, and tricks, and how to make money online. All you have to do, just have to make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure the bell icon is on, so every time when I drop a video you get a notification and you do what I post as soon as possible. Let's get it. So I'll leave a link in the description. Check the first link in the description. So after you land on this page, all you have to do, you just have to click here, right, freelance, and click on join now, right, join now. It will take you to this page, right? It will take you to this page, and all you have to do, you just have to fill in this information. You know this information, guys, you know this information. And I'll also leave my code there. Use my code so you can register. So I have account already, so I'm just going to click on login, right? I'm just gonna log in because my account is, I created my account already. Okay guys, now I'm in. So as you can see there, I have 400 points. 400 points is equal to 40 rand, right. So I'm just gonna score here. I just want to show you how to get more points, guys. Just want to show you how to get more points. So I'm just going to show you something here, taking a small steps to great reward. So guys, it's not just about getting free airtime or free voucher or free data, guys. This will help you to manage your money, right? So you just have to click there and tap here on N, right? Tap here on N. So it will take you to this page. So on this page, you'll see something like this. So you'll see something like this. All you have to do, you just have to click there, right? Assessment, money, personality, right? You're just gonna click there and you'll get you'll get 20 points after completing it. Same here. Okay, up to 1,400, right? 2,000, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 10, 20, 20, 25, 20, 20. Guys, you just have to just click on one of these, and after that we'll get points. And let's say you have enough points right now, right? You have enough points and you want to spend your points, go there again, click there and click on spend, right? Click on spend and it will take you to this page, right? Shopping, right? It will take you to this page. Buy vouchers, prepaid or free or airtime. Okay, click on one of these, right? Let's say you want to invest your points, click there. All mutual reward travel, click there. Spend in store, click there. Buy vouchers, click there. So I'm just going to show you with airtime, prepaid and airtime, right? It will take you to this page, right? It will take you to this page. So if you are using Telkom or using MTN, click anyway, right? You're using MTN, fine. You're using Telkom, fine. Click on Telkom right there. It will take you to this page, and on this page you need airtime or you need data, right? Click So after that, click there. Okay, let me see here. So I have 400 points already. So just gonna just tap there. You need to redeem how many points? Tap like enter your amount there, and you'll see there, and send to what number. Right? Make sure it's the correct number, because they can refund incorrect numbers, guys. And to redeem your points, most of the time you just have to send your proof of address, proof of resident via email, so they can verify, right? They can verify you, and after that you'll be able to redeem your points without having issues, right? So if you also same thing to vouchers, right? So let me show you with spend in store. Click there on spend in store, so you can see here, generate the code, blah blah blah. So you can see here brands. You have brand, come on, you know these brands. KFC, come on, you know this brand. You just have to generate the code there with your points. Then after that you go to store, and you give them the code. Then you will save, right? You will save because you are using your points, right? You're using your points, meaning you are using your voucher, right? Something like a voucher, right? So here, even here, you can see here, okay, same thing here, 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 same thing here. Tap there. Okay, if you need KFC, just click on KFC. What would you like to purchase? Blah blah blah. Same thing, guys, same thing. Then after that you redeem your points. This is so easy. This is so easy as 1 2 3. So if you're struggling with anything, make sure you comment down below, and I will help you. And make sure, guys, make sure you really watched the whole video. Do not skip and ask me in the comment section, because you must watch the whole video. Then after that, if you do not understand something or you're struggling, then you can ask me, because if you ask me without watching the whole video, then that's the problem. That means you won't understand even if I tell you what to do, right? So if you need Telkom data for free, 500 Telkom data, watch this video right now, and make sure you have LTE coverage in your area, because if you do not, that data won't work. Peace.